Export Machine Kit has been enhanced to package devices and tools used in the current CAM setup into one Machine Toolkit file together with the machine tool. Previously, you could only auto-export and import machine files, making it inconvenient to package the entire machine kit. Now, a single click installs the machine kit, including devices and tools. We'll begin by opening an out-of-the-box machine tool sample part. Click Export Machine Kit to export the currently loaded machine and devices. The exported machine kit name must be unique in the output directory. Use Import Machine to Library to install the exported machine kit. The existing machine tool and devices are replaced if you wish to overwrite them.